Alright, what's up you guys? So we are here at the Green Springs Interpretive Trail again today. We're going to go in here and we're going to get a little run or a long run. I'm not sure yet. I really want to get some running in today, but I also really have to use the bathroom, so that could become an issue with how far I go. But yeah, we're going to get a run in today, get some cardio done later on in the gym, so we're going to burn a lot of calories today, so that's good.